How to remove TikTok watermark from videos saved. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove TikTok watermark from saved videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will actually need to update your TikTok. So TikTok as of 2023 has now enabled you guys to download videos without watermark. So this only comes with the update of TikTok. So head over to TikTok on your app store, and after you find TikTok, if you find an update button like this, instead of a download button, tap on update and update your app. After you do that, you can then head over to your TikTok and save a video. So I'll just head over to this profile and then save this video. Now as you can see, the video is getting saved and there we go. Now if we just head over to our photos and if we just head over to the saved videos, you'll notice that there is no any option such as watermark, and that's basically how you do it. So all you have to do is update your TikTok and then start saving the video. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.